Hey everyone, today I'm going to share a very easy chicken recipe with you. It's called the honey and soy chicken. Just takes under 10 minutes to make, very low on ingredients. So it's a perfect idea for a weekday dinner fix. Come, let's make it. Okay, ingredients. I've got two chicken breasts, some garlic, some sesame seed, some salt, some all purpose flour, uh, 2 tablespoons of honey, some soy sauce, some vinegar. I'm using a Japanese vinegar here, but any vinegar is okay actually. Some fish sauce. Again, fish sauce is optional. If you don't like it, don't use it. And some red chili flakes. Okay, I'm creating the marinade now. Uh, Soy sauce. One, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. Vinegar, around a tablespoon. Adding in the honey. Adding in the flour. The flour actually makes a marinade stick, but be careful with it, don't put too much of that. Put some more. Fish sauce, just a dash. Scoring the chicken so that the marinade goes in. So I'm just doing it across the breast of the chicken. Chicken goes into the marinade. And I'm gonna keep the chicken in marination for around 15 minutes. In the meantime, I'll just chop the garlic and the chili, the bird's eye chili. Yeah. So these are ready now. Okay, so it's been 15 minutes that the chicken is resting in the marinade. So time to put it in the pan now. So I'm putting around a tablespoon of oil in here. I'm using sesame oil, but you can use vegetable oil as well. So yeah, I like to cook this at a very high temperature. So I have let this oil become really hot. So now I think I can put in the chicken breasts in here. Putting the chicken breasts in. Let them sear for a while. So you would want the bottom side of the chicken to get really like a charry sort of a texture. So after around 2 minutes, I'm just going to flip the chicken over. You can see how dark and charred this side has become. So the other side also will just make it similarly charred. Okay, so time to take out the chicken from the pan. I'm just going to put it on the countertop and rest it for a while I make the sauce for the chicken. Okay, my chicken is resting now, so I have the remaining portion of the marinade. I'm just going to increase that a bit, just a bit more honey. A bit more soy. And a dash of fish sauce. Good to go. Okay, so back to the stove. So I'm using the same pan that I've made the chicken in. I'm putting in the garlic. I'm putting in the chili as well. And a little more chili flakes. That's it. So I'm just sauteing them for a few seconds. This shouldn't take more than 15-20 seconds. Now I'm just putting in the marinade sauce. And I'll put in the sesame seeds as well. And we can just switch off the flame. Okay, the chicken is rested now, so I'll cut them into slices. The chicken is cut now, so time to put it on the plate. So we're gonna mess out of it. That's okay. You can see how much charred it looks on the outside, but if you look at the inside of the chicken, it's still very soft and still very juicy. Okay, the chicken is in. Putting in the sauce and a little bit of green onion for garnish. So here's your quick and easy honey and soy chicken. Enjoy.